Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show app names navigation bar Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to show app names navigation bar Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To show app names navigation bar Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the general menu. Now in the general menu there are many menus. Tap the Appearance menu. Now in the Appearance menu, scroll down to find the Navigation bar menu. Now here there are two options. Tap to activate Show App Names Navigation bar. Now here it's done. We can see on the navigation bar display on the left of the mic screen display. So that's it, tutorial how to show app names navigation bar Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.